Hey there, gadget lovers! Are you tired of buying those little cans of air just to clean your keyboard? What if I told you there's a way to save money, save the planet, and get a discount all at the same time? Stick around and click the link in the description to get 39% off the X3 Hurricane Variable Speed Canless Air Duster. Alright, let's get into it. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, ready to conquer the world, but your keyboard looks like it's been through a dust tornado. Enter the X3 Hurricane. This bad boy blows air at over 260 miles per hour. That's like having a mini hurricane right in your hand. And the best part? You can adjust the speed. Need a gentle breeze for those delicate electronics? No problem. Want to blast away the dust bunnies hiding in your keyboard? Crank it up. Now let's talk about the eco-friendly side of things. Did you know that one X3 Hurricane is equivalent to over 5,000 cans of air? That's right, 5,000! Think about how much waste you're reducing. It's like being an eco-warrior, one clean keyboard at a time. Plus, it's rechargeable so you don't have to keep buying new ones. But wait, there's more. This thing comes with a bunch of cool attachments for all your cleaning needs. Dusting your computer, camera lens, or even those hard-to-reach spots in your car? The X3 Hurricane has got you covered. And did I mention it's made in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty? Talk about quality and peace of mind. Sure, some folks say it's a bit loud, but hey, it's a mini hurricane. And if you need it quieter, just dial down the speed. It's that simple. So, why keep wasting money on canned air when you can have a reusable, powerful, and eco-friendly solution? Click the link in the description below to grab your X3 Hurricane Air Duster at 39% off. Trust me, your gadgets will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome deals and tech tips. See you next time.